It's November 18th. Do a little tiny house update. Focus on the diesel Chinese heater. Got 4 100-watt panels mounted on the roof. And they are running the Chinese diesel heater. Here's the 10-liter tank and the fuel filter. It runs underneath. Comes in. See the fuel pump. Maybe hear it. Pumping the fuel up into the house. And we have the air intake and the exhaust. Go inside and check it out. Alright, here inside the tiny house. Go under the bed. And there we've got the Chinese heater. Hooked up to, there is 2 Renogy lithium ion batteries, but only one is hooked up right now. I've also got my old lead acid batteries that I'm not using anymore. Currently it's 77%, just on that one battery. We're using about an amp, and that's the heater running, and also these lights. These lights use quite a bit of power. I think it was about 0.2 amps before I put those lights on. Just draw from the heater. It uses about 10 amps when it's starting up, just for the glow plugs, but once it's running, it's usually just about an amp. I'll unplug these lights and see what it says. Get some light there. So yeah, the heater is running right now using 0.1 amps. Or sorry, we're making 0.2 amps. That's with just a little bit of solar we're gaining right now. It's a pretty cloudy day. We're not making much. Over here next to the door, got the controller for the heater. Pretty sure we're at 1.2 hertz. That's the lowest setting. That's usually what I run it on. It's a 24-foot tiny house with about 3 inches of spray foam insulation. Big windows, losing a lot of heat from those. The door hasn't been sealed yet. You can probably see the light coming in, especially at the bottom. We've had this heater running when it was -10. We had it up probably about 2 hertz, 2.5 maybe. Kept us nice and warm in here. Headed back outside. So this is the 10-liter tank that it came with. It's about 2.5 gallons. Got 5 gallons of backup. Running it on low, we usually go through about, say, a 1/4 gallon, 24-hour period. If it's cold night, teens, negatives, we'll have it up to about 2 hertz. And we'll probably go through about 1/2 gallon a day. Here's a tiny house. Little update.